Today I'm going to show you how you can save your Prezi slides as a PDF. First, go to your main Prezi website. As you can see on the home page, you can click here on the Prezi title if you need to access your main site dashboard. What you need to do is go to one of your slides and click on Edit. Wait for it to load. After that, at the top right, you can see Export as PDF. If you click on this download button, you can select Export as PDF. Click on Export, and as you can see, you need to start your free trial. So it's €4 per month billed annually. You can start your free trial and then cancel it, or simply purchase and pay for it. So yes, you can get a 7-day free trial. That's how you can save it. If you don't save it, you can simply copy the link and use the classic Prezi slides. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Goodbye.